Luke chapter 11 verses 1 to 13. Amplified Bible. Instruction about prayer. It happened that while Jesus was praying in a certain place, after he finished, one of his disciples said to him, "Lord, teach us to pray just as John also taught his disciples." He said to them, "When you pray, say, 'Father, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom come. Give us each day our daily bread. And forgive us our sins, for we ourselves also forgive everyone who is indebted to us, who has offended or wronged us. And let us not into temptation, but rescue us from evil." Luke chapter 11 verses 1 to 13, King James Version. And he said unto them, "When ye pray, say, Our Father which art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come. Thy will be done, as in heaven, so in earth. Give us day by day our daily bread. And forgive us our sins, for we also forgive everyone that is indebted to us. And let us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil." Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, comment and leave prayer requests.